Loving can hurt.
I wanna follow where she
In the night I lie and look up at you.
Oh baby, you should go and love yourself.
I'm falling again, I'm falling again, I'm falling.
When I see your face,
I've been losing sleep, dreaming about
Coron, pristine paradise, known for its stunning vistas, crystal clear waters, and abundant marine species, is situated in the Philippine province of Palawan. This tropical paradise is accessible through the town of Coron, which provides visitors with the ideal balance of action and leisure. Nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts alike will find paradise at Coron, with its brilliant coral reefs, secluded lagoons, and towering limestone cliffs. Swimming in the emerald waters of Kayangan Lake, which is encircled by towering karst formation, is sometimes referred to as the cleanest lake in Asia. Attractions, it's imperative to experience Coron's underwater treasures. Let's go to Coron, Palawan and experience its amazing splendor. Luscious green scenery meets glistening clean waters. Discover breathtaking limestone cliffs, undiscovered lagoons, and colorful coral reefs beaming with marine life. Choose from luxurious resorts with top-notch amenities or quaint homestays to fully immerse yourself in the culture of the area. Coron delivers an amazing tropical paradise experience. Whether you're looking for adventure or relaxation, plan your vacation now and explore the enchantment of Palawan's most valuable asset. Papasabi ka naman, huwag muna tayong umuwi. Ito muna.
Huwag muna tayong umuwi. Dito muna. Huwag muna tayong umuwi. Dito muna. Muna tayong umuwi. Maghahawak kamay, naglalakad sa may dalampasigan. Saksi ang alon at buwan. Pumipilis ang tibok ng puso tuwing ika'y ay matawa o tumitingin sa aking mata. Kinakabahan na ba ka? Gusto mo nang umalis? Hindi ko malaman kung paano sasabihin. Huwag muna tayong umuwi. Mundo'y tahimik sa iyong tabi. Dito muna agawan nating gabi. Naglalaho ang dilim sa iyong ngiti. Dito muna ako. Pwede namang dito muna tayo hanggang ang langit. ay maging kulay kahel at dilaw. Habang tumitiin ang paa sa buhangin, tumitindi rin ang pangarap na ako't ikaw. Kinakabahan na